Hey everybody, this is going to be a full-length video on making the egg white western omelet, and I got my brand new T-FAL here, and this is the 13-inch or 12 and a half. I don't know, you can check out my video on the unboxing of it. And as you know, I'm a big fan of the T-FAL. It's a non-stick, and it does not emit any of the chemicals that you get on a normal Teflon type of non-stick, and it lasts. You know, I gotta say, I've really had a lot of great success with it. It's awesome. Check out my links for that below. And this is, I've shown you this in a previous video. I've had this, I don't know how many years now, 3 or 4 years. It's the Martha Stewart collection, and it's great for chopping, and this is for fine chopping if I'm doing some hot habanero type peppers. And then standard, what I'm going to use now for my for the egg white western omelet is this size. And you know, all you got to do really is prepare the food as far as to fit in here. And so I've done that with some fresh peppers. I'm only going to use some red peppers in this one here since I don't have the green one. And I do like to use a little oil. This here is filled with olive oil, and it's kind of a misting because you really don't need any oil when you're cooking with the T-FAL, but I do like to kind of add just a little bit of flavor. And you kind of you fill this up with your own oil that you like, whether it's canola oil, olive oil, or whatever it is that you like. Kind of fill it up, you kind of pump it, and then you're able to just squirt out what you need. It's really awesome. In this way, you kind of you're controlling the amount that you put in there. And this here I've had now for over probably almost 2 years now, this T-FAL, and it still works like a charm. The last ingredient is this, my hot peppers, habanero. I always put my warning on that because of the fact is that this is hot stuff. And if you see, it's a powder form, and I actually make this myself. I'll show you how I make it, and I let it probably takes over a day. This adds heat to your food without adding flavor. When you get those liquid ones, and you know which ones I'm talking about, they're based in a vinegar, and I don't really, not that I don't like it, but I like this better because it adds the heat without changing the flavor of your food. Alrighty, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn this down real low now. I'm going to put the flame down to, and I'm working off of a GE Cafe stove here. I'm going to put the flame down really low to like a 1. Alright, I'm going to add in my egg white. Get it all around. I like especially getting the edges. Look at that, beauty. And like I said in my previous video, don't try this at home, kids, because last time I did this, the first time I did this, I broke a dish. But you got to put a lot of pressure in between the plate and the pan, so it doesn't fall out. There you go. Perfect. What's called egg white western omelet bites in this case. So I cut it like a pizza in 8s. And then what I'll do is I'll cut it halfway like this, And if you want, you could scramble it up a little bit and make it even more bouncy. But these eggs seem to be kind of bouncy enough, so I may or may not scramble it up. But there you go, and you kind of see how all this stuff moves. The T-FAL's non-stick properties are just, in my opinion, second to none.